Recently, I made these custom app icons for my home screen, and I got a number of requests asking how to do it, so I'm going to try to explain in this video. So to start off, you're going to go to the App Store and look for an app called PicsArt. I'll do that next. So there's a number of apps that could do the same thing, but this one's simple because I know it and it's free, which a lot of them aren't. It does have some premium features, but for the stuff I want to do, it has everything you need. So once you've downloaded the app, go to your home screen. Now we're going to go into Google or Safari or whichever search engine you use and search for the logo that you want to replace, like the icon. So I'm going to do Spotify. It's a nice easy one. And I'm going to choose a dark theme because I like the way that looks. So pick an image you like, ideally a nice sharp one, not pixelated, and save that to your camera roll. Next, find a picture that you want to overlay. And it really could be anything, but I'm going to choose a Star Wars one for the purpose of this video. I'm going to go with Captain Rex. Now, you can use any image, but it's easier to look for one that doesn't have a background. If you do go with one that has a background, there's just like another step involved to cut it out. You can use Photoshop or another program. But for this video, I'm just going to choose a nice simple one. Once you find the picture that you want, save that to your camera roll. And then after you save that, go back to your home screen. Find the PicsArt app and open it. This is the home screen of PicsArt, and you're going to click on the purple icon at the bottom with the plus symbol in it. That's like create a new project. And then at the top, choose the icon picture that you saved to your camera roll. So I'll choose the Spotify one here. Now you'll see there's a bunch of different editing tools at the bottom. We're going to pick one that says Add Photo. Then go in and choose the picture of Captain Rex. Paste it. Now you can drag it around on the screen, make it larger, smaller, make it transparent even. So once you're happy with the placement, hit save, top side of the screen. Then go home and look for the Shortcuts app. This is automatically downloaded on all iPhones, so it should be easy to find. Once you've opened Shortcuts, you'll see this screen. It's the home screen for the app. And you're going to touch the plus sign at the top right-hand side of the screen. Once you've touched that, you're going to hit Open App. And then you're going to click the little icon that's faded that says App. Search for Spotify or whichever icon you want. Now once you've done that, hit the drop-down menu at the top-hand side of the screen, the little arrow, and hit Add to Home Screen. Once you've done this, click on the small icon on the left-hand side with the photo box, and then pick the photo that you created in PicsArt or whatever other software you used. Crop it until it's fairly center or however you want it. Then you'll want to rename it, ideally like the same name as the app to make it easy. Then hit Add on the right-hand side. Then there it is on your home screen. And then once it's there, it just acts as the app normally would, nice and smooth. And there you go. That's how you do that. This next part only really applies if you're removing backgrounds, but since I'm already doing the video, I figured I'd include it for people doing that. So same as before, you're going to click to add a new photo. And this time I'm choosing one with a background of Commander Fox. Once the picture's added, look for a little icon on the bottom that says Cutout, and click that. Now you'll have this menu, and you can hit Select, and then Person, and the algorithm will try to find a person in the picture. It's often not great, so as you can see, there's a lot of parts that are selected that aren't of Fox. So in this case, you're going to click Eraser, which is one of the three options here. And then you're going to slowly manually erase all the parts that shouldn't be in the picture. This is the kind of time-consuming part of the process. So first I've highlighted everything so I'm not missing it. And next I'll go through and start erasing. So this typically takes like 10 or 15 minutes, fairly time consuming. For the point of this video, I'm going to speed up a bit more, and I'm also going to not be as thorough as I normally am. So at the end, you'll notice a few mistakes. But this is kind of the process that you have to do to get rid of all the annoying background stuff. If you notice, I'm going in and out of preview mode, which allows you to see what the final product will be at the end. So I recommend doing this along the way, just so you don't miss any obvious pieces that you're meant to cut out. This would definitely be a bit easier with an Apple Pencil or something similar, but doing it by hand is totally fine too, it just takes a bit longer. I typically have to do this for most of the icons, as there's not a lot that you can download without backgrounds. And then once you're done, you just paste it in, and all the following steps are the same as I highlighted in the previous part of the video.